Are you tired of your car's tires looking dull just days after cleaning them? Finding a tire shine that not only gives that desirable showroom gloss but also lasts through the elements can be a challenge. Today, I'll introduce you to the top tire shines on the market that promise not only to enhance the appearance of your tires but also to provide long-lasting protection. Let's dive into the world of tire shines and find the perfect one for your vehicle. At the first position of our list, we have ExoForma PermaShine tire coating. This coating is a game changer. This product is not your typical tire shine. It's designed with a unique formula that bonds to your tire, offering a permanent glossy finish that can withstand rain and road debris impressively. The 8-ounce bottle is ergonomically designed, making application smooth and straightforward. Diving deeper into its usability, the PermaShine tire coating is remarkably easy to apply. Simply clean a tire, apply the coating with a sponge and let it dry. It's that easy. The coating not only leaves your tires looking glossy but also protects them from aging and cracking thanks to its advanced formula. Customers have noted that its durability is unlike any other product they have tried, with the shine lasting for months without the need for reapplication. Moreover, its effectiveness in both wet and dry conditions assures that your tires maintain that brand new look regardless of the weather. Truly, ExoForma PermaShine is an investment in the aesthetics and longevity of your vehicle's tires. At number 2, we have CaRu's Tire Shine, which comes in an 18-ounce kit complete with a microfiber applicator for ease of use. This product stands out for its ability to deliver a deep black wet look that car enthusiasts adore. This innovative formula not only beautifies your tires but also contains additives that protect them from fading and UV damage. The design of the bottle and the included applicator ensures that you can cover every nook and cranny of the tire, providing a uniform and streak-free shine. The CaRu's Tire Shine is known for its quality and ease of application, making it a favorite among both professionals and casual users. It's quick to apply and dries fast, reducing the risk of sling on your car's body. Durability is another strong suit of this product. Users report that the shine lasts for several weeks even under tough driving conditions. Its effectiveness in preserving the tire's color and texture makes it a top choice for those who value both aesthetics and tire health. Next up at number 3, we have Meguiar's Hot Shine tire coating. This coating offers a solution that combines convenience with outstanding results. This 15-ounce aerosol can allow for an easy spray-on application, providing a glossy finish that catches the eye. What sets Meguiar's apart is its unique blend of water-resistant polymers, enhanced resin technology and premium silicones that deliver a durable, protective layer while giving the tires a rejuvenating wet look. The spray nozzle is specifically designed to minimize overspray and provide a precise application, which helps in achieving an even coat without any wastage. The quality of this product is evident in its smooth application and the instant enhancement it brings to any tire. Users often praise the Hot Shine tire coating for its usability and the longevity of its shine. It holds up well against both rain and sunshine, ensuring that the tires look freshly polished for weeks. Moreover, its effectiveness in preventing dust and dirt from sticking to the tires is a major plus, making maintenance a breeze. The number 4 position is held by Armor All Extreme Tire Shine. This product comes in a generous 22-ounce 2-pack, ensuring you have plenty of product to keep your tires shining bright. This tire shine is famous for its extreme gloss formula, which uses advanced polymers for a mirror-like shine that truly stands out. The double-pack design is not just about quantity but also about value and convenience. Each bottle is equipped with a precision applicator that ensures even distribution of the product, reducing wastage and ensuring your tires get the complete coverage they need for an optimal shine. The durability and quality of the Armor All Extreme Tire Shine are impressive. It's designed to repel water and dirt, maintaining a clean and polished look for longer periods. Users appreciate how the shine lasts through various weather conditions, making it a reliable choice for year-round tire maintenance. Furthermore, this product's effectiveness extends beyond just aesthetics. It also offers significant protection against the elements, helping to keep your tires in pristine condition. Whether it's rain, snow, or sunny days, your tires will maintain their glossy appearance with minimal effort. The number 5 position is dominated by Motherspeed Tire Shine. This product is a favorite among auto enthusiasts for its quick application and brilliant results. The design of the bottle allows for a comfortable grip and a non-drip application, making it a breeze to use. With just a single spray, the Motherspeed Tire Shine provides a deep wet look shine that makes your tires look as good as new. In terms of quality, this product uses an advanced formula that not only shines but also protects your tires from the elements. It features a blend of high-quality polymers and silicone that safeguards against fading and cracking caused by sun exposure and harsh weather. The usability extends beyond just shine. It also helps in repelling dirt and grime, reducing the frequency of your tire cleanings. Durability is another hallmark of Motherspeed Tire Shine. Once applied, the shine lasts for weeks even through rain and road grime thanks to its weather-resistant properties. It's an effective solution for anyone looking to maintain that fresh, new tire look with minimal effort. Next up at number 6 we have ceramic tire dressing. This is not just any tire shine, it's a premium product that uses ceramic technology to offer more than just aesthetics. The sleek bottle design is complemented by an efficient spray nozzle that ensures even coverage without any wastage. Its standout feature is the incorporation of ceramic particles that bond with the tire surface, providing a long-lasting shine that is second to none. The quality of this tire dressing is evident from its robust formulation. It not only enhances the appearance of your tires but also creates a protective barrier that resists water, dirt and oils. Usability is top-notch as it applies smoothly and dries quickly, avoiding any messy sling on your car's bodywork. Durability and effectiveness are where ceramic tire dressing truly shines. The ceramic-infused shine holds up against various environmental conditions, maintaining a pristine look for extended periods. This product is an excellent choice for drivers who demand the best in tire care technology, offering both supreme shine and ultimate protection. Last but certainly not least, at number 7 we have the California KOVA All Tire Shine. This product promises a durable, glossy finish that transforms any tire. The canister's design allows for easy handling and precise spraying, minimizing overspray and waste. This tire shine is perfect for those who value both aesthetics and longevity in their car care products. The quality is apparent with its advanced formula that delivers a glossy finish without feeling greasy. It's crafted to not only improve the look of your tires but also to enhance their life by protecting against cracking and browning. Usability is straightforward, with the product easily coating the tire and setting quickly to a touch dry finish. The durability of California KOVA All is noteworthy. Once applied, the shine withstands weather and road conditions, keeping tires looking wet and new for longer than average products. It's a powerful ally for maintaining that high-end, just waxed look between washes. With these top-tier tire shines, not only will your tires look spectacular, but they will also be well protected against the elements. From convenience to long-lasting effects, each product we discussed today offers unique benefits. Choose the one that best fits your needs and give your car the tire shine it deserves.